What's up, random vlogs? Today I will be teaching you how to make a fidget zipper. It looks like this. You could do that, zip it up, do this, 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 and then you could do well, you need a thicker bag for that. So in the last video I taught you how to make a paper fidget spinner. Go check out that video. And check out my other channel, Random Vlogs. Okay, so what you're going to need is a bag. Any bag you want. But you're just going to need the zippy part. So you're going to cut out everything out. Okay, so you're going to cut through this, cut through this, cut through this, cut through this, cut through this. And then you're going to have that piece. And once you have that piece, you throw it away. And then you're gonna have you could trim the thingamajigs off plastic because it looks weird and ugly. Okay, you're gonna take that off, and once you have this, you throw that away too. It came back. Okay, so now you're gonna have this left. So this is a pretty simple process. So what you're going to do, see these little edges, the edge right here, this edge, you're going to cut a little bit off, right here. Okay, cut that off. And then on the other one you do it too, cut a little bit off, and then you go cut that off. Okay. And now you could use just one like this as a big zipper, but it doesn't work that well. Okay, so so what you're gonna do is zip it up, and then you're gonna make a big one or a little one, however you want, and then you're gonna cut it between right here. Make it sure it's zipped up so it's the same size, and then you're gonna cut. Okay. And then you can make a bunch of these out of just one bag. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. I made 5 out of one bag. 6. I made 6 out of one bag. And when you're done, it should look like this. Okay, so subscribe to my other channel, Random Gaming. I don't know if you could see him, but he's right over there. Hi, Random Vlogs, how you doing? Very good. So, how's your day? Good. Oh, wait a minute. Well, did you tell him to subscribe to my channel? Because I only have 2 subscribers, and your channel is doing way better than mine. Yes, I did. I actually told them to check out your channel. Great, thank you. Now, let's get on with your video. Okay, you saw him. Okay, so now you're done. You just do this. And then that's all. And you can do this. You can fidget with it. So, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Leave a like on Random Gaming and Random Vlogs. Please, that would really help out the channel. So, goodbye.